Hi there. You've already onboarded your business to HubSpark. Great job. Now, let's talk about 3 powerful tools inside our premium tier that can help you grow faster: SEO management, check-ins, and reviews. First up, SEO management. HubSpark automatically ensures your business information is accurate and consistent across 70+ major directories trusted by Google. That consistency is the foundation of strong local search rankings. You'll also see exactly where you rank for specific keywords across your area, visualized on a local heat map. Green means strong, yellow means room to grow, red means opportunity. You can even see where competitors outrank you and get insights on how to improve your visibility, all from one screen. Next, our check-in module helps you prove to Google exactly what you do and where you do it. Each time you check in at a job or location, HubSpark creates real, location-based content and automatically posts it to your site and Google Heat Map. That activity boosts local SEO and shows potential customers the real work you're doing, live, in your community. And finally, reviews. We all know 5-star Google reviews are gold for local businesses. HubSpark automates the process, sending review requests, tracking responses, and helping you collect double or triple the reviews you're getting now. Want to see how powerful this really is? Try HubSpark Premium free for 14 days. No risk, no commitment. Just click the button below to unlock the full SEO, check-in, and reviews modules. Experience how HubSpark helps your business rank higher, earn more reviews, and attract more customers faster.